Imagine owning a business that's already set up, profitable, and ready to run from day one. No guesswork, no starting from scratch, just a proven system, trained crews, and a fully operational moving company waiting for you in Miami-Dade County, Florida. The asking price is $149,000 with a cash flow of $145,000 and $520,000 in revenue. Even though it was only established in 2024, it's already thriving because it's built on a proven, high-performing system backed by a national brand and full corporate support. Here's why it stands out. This isn't a business where you have to chase leads all day. A centralized call center books 50 to 60% of jobs so you can focus on managing your team and growing the business. The operations are already in place. Trucks, warehouse, office, trained crew, everything you need is included. The business has multiple revenue streams: residential moves, commercial moves, student relocations, long-distance jobs, packing, storage, and specialty moving services. Each territory serves 300,000 to 450,000 residents, giving you a clearly defined, protected market. Florida's population is booming, with over 1,000 new residents arriving every day, which keeps demand for moving services steady year-round. Early operators can secure these protected territories and take full advantage of the national support system during this expansion phase. The business says owners keep between 82.5% and 90% of the revenue, depending on where the leads come from. If jobs are booked through the company's call center, you're closer to 82.5%. And if you generate your own leads, you keep more, closer to 90%. So basically, you're giving up a small percentage in exchange for a system that brings you customers. Now, the startup investment ranges from around $100,000 to just over $200,000, and that covers your trucks, equipment, training, and working capital, basically the cash you'll need for payroll, fuel, and day-to-day operations. Financing is also available for qualified buyers, which means you may not need to pay everything up front. But even with financing, you still need enough cash to keep the business running smoothly in the beginning. So, at the end of the day, you're not just buying a business, you're buying a system that generates revenue. The real question is whether that system can consistently deliver enough jobs to justify the investment.